Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix Tantan location not updating properly. So now let's get started. First of all, check location services. Ensure that your location services are turned on. Another step is make sure that Tantan has access to your location. And another step is restart your Tantan app. Simply completely close the app and open it again. Or you can also try toggling on the flight mode and after 10 seconds, toggle it off again. Another step is restart your device. Restarting a phone fixes any location or GPS related issues. Last but not the least, if the problem persists, reach out to Tantan support team for assistance. And that's it. This step should help resolve location update issue on Tantan. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.